What's good, YouTube? It's OG Barber Chris, and today I will be showing you how to do a professional male hair unit without any demarcations. Just a real cut, no shortcuts, no guessing, just a real cut. Let's get straight into it. This is my client before. As you can see, he's pretty much bald at the top, still got hair around the side. We call it a horseshoe. So let's get right off into it. First out, I examine his scalp. What I am pointing out is his existing hairline, but my client, he wants his hairline to come down a little bit, so I'm going to be using this magic fiber to just kind of spread all over his forehead so we can begin to straight razor him. So I decided to drop down like a half an inch so it can still look natural. Now in this next part, I will be using my measuring comb to measure from his ear to the front of his line on both sides, just to make sure everything is accurate and consistent on both sides. Then next I'll be using my white marker to outline the lineup that I have created with my straight razor. Then next I'll be using my Babyliss Pro TI liners to go ahead and bald him out at the top of his crown. Now this won't get it all the way down to the scalp completely bald, but we're going to come back with a straight razor and get it completely bald. First out, I put the aloe shaving gel on top of his crown. Now it's time for the straight razor to do the rest. Then I make sure to put a little bit of rubbing alcohol up on top of his scalp so it can furthermore clean it and make sure there's no sticky gump on top of his head. Now this is the hair unit my client purchased, and up underneath this is a mesh hair unit. So I like to outline the front and the back on the bottom part so I can know what's the back, what's the front. We won't get anything confused. Now in this part, I'm actually marking his crown of his scalp so I can see clearly on the hair unit where I need to cut into it. Now, as you can see exactly where we need to cut at. And next we'll be using the ghost blowing glue, and we will be putting this all over his scalp. Now, I personally like to start from the back to the front, but sometimes you can start from the front to the back. It just kind of depends on the scalp and the shape of the skull and everything like that. Whatever feels best with you, hey, make it happen. But this right here for this procedure, I'm actually starting from the back to the front. Now, after this, I'm going to start out with my foreguard. I'm going to start with this guard simply because it'll keep it thick and I can be able to see what I got up underneath it. Most definitely, I'm going to have to probably drop down to a 3 and maybe even a 2, but I can see exactly what I got working with once I drop it down with this 4. Now, this straight razor comb is much needed. It's good to thin out the top, the front, the sides, everything. This right here really come in handy. Now, once we did all that, I like to move to the front hairline to go ahead and line them up exactly where I made my demarcation at. So my client asked to have a ball fade on the side, so I will ball fade him all around, and then we'll come back and put some enhancements on it and make sure it's fresh, clean, make sure everything's in place, and we'll see what he think about it. Now this is his after. Hey, leave a comment of what you think about his new look. And hey, subscribe to my page if you want me to do more hair tutorials. I really do appreciate it. Thank you so much.